Thank you for your interest in LearningHub. LearningHub is a powerful library of content which can help you strengthen your business. LearningHub is divided into 5 key business areas, including attracting new clients, focused around market understanding, lead generation, and sales. Then there's managing existing clients to increase retention, upselling, and referrals. Team development helps you build a productive, loyal work environment. Product development will ensure your product portfolio is optimized for your market. And finally, process improvement will ensure your business policies and processes are efficient and aligned with your business goals. LearningHub comprises articles and templates written by industry experts with many years of experience. There are also methodologies and solutions to help you tackle complex business problems. LearningHub content can be used periodically as needed, or it can drive continuous professional development in your business. It is constantly being updated with new, powerful content based on current best practices. Thanks again for your interest in LearningHub. Please get in touch if you'd like to know more.